be explaining. Can you guys please unmute yourself?
Hi, am I audible?
Yeah,
Hi, my name is Aryan. I'm a fourth year computer science student at St. Joseph's. Um, so I'll be showing a fun code at the end of the session that will cover up the basics of what you guys learn in today's session. Yeah.
lovely. My friend Pranav, can you please talk?
Hello guys, I'm Pranav. I am currently working in Target as a cybersecurity specialist. So I'll be taking a fraction of the session on a very important topic, and then by the end of the session, we'll have one more fun activity to do.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Just before starting this thing, can I just like get an introduction from all of you guys? Can all of you turn on your mic once and just say hi? I'm this name that we know you guys are there. Uh, just turn on your mic once, guys. I'll wait. I'll not start this session as long as I hear some voices. If you guys have net issues or mic issues, just text ki hi. Hi.
Guys don't have to feel shy or anything. We're all chill people here. And if you
Yeah,
don't want to unmute yourself, you can drop in a text. That also works. Throughout the session, it is.
yeah. Hi, Sanchana. Hi, Dada. Good guys. Nice. No worries, you shy people. We'll still start this session. I hope it will be a fun, interactive one rather than just a boring session. So we'll do a quick 2 hour session. Hi, Shabnam, first year MCA student. Awesome. That's great to know. Yes, so this will be a quick 2 hour session. Like we'll brush through all the concepts that are required for fundamentals in Python, which will help you in future projects and many more programs that you will design future. So yeah, we'll start. Yeah, just let me know if my screen is sharing properly. Yeah, can you see yourself here? I hope um, my screen is fair.
Yeah, we can see the screen, Shubham.
Lovely. We'll just hide this here. Yep. So before we move into Python, let's just talk about what exactly is programming. Why do we do it, right? So, as you guys all might use your laptops, your phones, your machines, PCs, everything, right? So to communicate with that machine, you need some kind of language, right? You need to probably talk to, for example, if I'm a I'm a Kannadiga, you have to talk to me in Kannada for me to understand what you're saying. For me to talk to somebody from Germany, I'll have to talk in German, right? Similarly, in for machines, what do we do is we generally have some coding languages. Now you might, other than Python, can anybody text what are the different types of coding languages? Any example? Anyone? Other than Arun and Pranav? Yeah. Any examples of programming languages, guys? C++, C, Java, C, R. Very good. Yes, perfect. These are all programming languages. These are what we use to communicate with the machine. Now, what we do is when we insert some code or some logic. Yes, Sudarshan. Yes, Java, C++. Awesome. So when we put in a code, now machines don't understand, to be fair, the code language. Now, if I type syntax in Python, it won't understand simply. So what happens is generally codes have interpreters or compilers that translate the coding language because all these Python, Java, they are similar to English language, especially Python. I consider it a subset of English language. So what they do is they translate it into a binary language of zeros and ones. I hope uh, guys know what is binary. Binary numbers 0 and 1. The machine just understands the binary code. So what a programming language does is it takes an input from the user, translates or interprets it into binary language and sends it to machine for it to understand. This is how programming works. Awesome. Now going on to Python. Why Python? What is Python? All these questions are always gonna come up. Why Python? Why not so many other languages that you guys give here? There are so many different C, Java, R. Why not all these? What makes Python different from them? Firstly, most of you might have heard this or somewhere. Python is one of the most easiest and the simplest language to ever exist, I think, in programming. It's very simple. It is very easy to use. It is very user friendly. Secondly, it is free. Yeah, it is one of those free languages. It is open source. You can download it. It's a high level language. It's developed by Gadovan Rason. And yeah, it is portable. You can install it anywhere in any of your operating systems, let it be Windows, Mac, or anything else actually. And then you can actually port it, like take that same code from Windows to, let me say, Mac. So this is why Python is a little good and it's useful for you guys. Now let's go ahead to installing Python. I hope most of you guys know what how to install Python. Still, to some of you who might not know, I'll just show you how to install Python. Python download, just go to Google download Python, python.org website. Here you will be able to see the recent version of Python that you'll be able to download. So I think 3.14 is not something that I have installed. This is the latest version. All right. So 3.14 was released in recently. It's released. Yeah, October 7th. Nice. So yeah, this is one of the most recent versions. Just go and click on this. We'll start downloading here. Start downloading the file. Once it's done, you just go ahead with installation part. And once installation is done, you just have to click on this to install. What will happen is once you install the Python this thing, you have to go install now, continue for the setup to finish. Simple steps how to install anything in your website. Yeah, I already have Python installed, so I won't be going ahead with all this drama. Once your Python is installed, right, you go to search and you'll be able to see something called idle. All right, idle. You can just click on this. You'll get the script on where to type code, where you can work for Python. This is a basic shell where you can type. Like I'll just type something for now. Okay, yeah, with print say. This is where you can start coding, start practicing a little bit. But rather than this, okay, before we move into the coding aspect, to check if the Python is installed in your PC, just go to command prompt. So just go to your search, select command prompt, and I would like you guys to search Python dash dash version. This will tell you ki if Python has been installed in your system, and if yes, which version. So I have a little older version, 3.1, 3.15. It's still fine because most of the versions are pretty same. Till now, I hope everybody's understanding what I'm trying to say. Yeah, just give me a thumbs up or something so that we can continue with the session. Lovely. Anybody else? Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Rush. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Thanks for that. Yeah. So moving ahead with our programming language, Python. Oh yeah. Before that, I would like you guys to install VS Code as well. Now, VS Code is helpful for you guys. It's, it's better to code in VS Code or any as such worksheets so that you can generally it has a lot of features like it helps auto correction. It has a lot of features that shell mode won't. Can you go a little slow? Sure. No worries. Thank you so much for that feedback. I'll go slow. So right now we haven't yet started the Python aspect. We're just installing right now. So if you guys want to install together on side by side, go ahead. As I showed, go to Python, download the Python latest version, go to the installation part, finish the installation, then go ahead with the command prompt and check if it is installed. Yes, I'll type in the code again. I hope you guys are noting this down. Python dash dash version. Yes, I'd hope you guys all have a little set of notes so that you don't forget all this. All right. So once Python is installed, go ahead, install VS Code. Yeah, just go to this. Here, you can install for any of those operating systems that you guys possess. I have a Windows, I'll install here. Yeah, just go ahead, install this. Again, same step, installation. And once that is done, just, just- once you open VS Code, you'll be able to see something like this. Key Visual Store start file, start new file, open file. Uh, cool. I think till now everybody's understood whatever has been said. Yeah, that's pretty much. Till now we just installed stuff. Now we'll go ahead with some theory aspect of Python. Lovely. Yes. So where is notes? Yeah. I'll share these notes to you guys on the group as well, and then I'll share the code files as well, whatever we code, so that you can practice in future. So as we said, we have installed Python. Let's try out our first program. And if you guys are not able to install Visual Code, just go ahead on Google right now. All of you guys, go to Google and open Colab. Google Colab. Google Colab is like a notebook. You can use it online as well. Go to Google Colab right now. Here we can code simultaneously together. Yes, once you go to Google Colab, just start a new notebook. This is something what will come. Now, don't get confused by this here. This is the file name, and this is .ipynb. So .ipynb is basically Python notebook. So it's like interactive Python notebook, ipynb. Python files are generally saved with a .py file, and